Hi, my name is Martin and I work for Elastic Email. And today I would like to share a few tips with you. Tips about Black Friday and how to get your message across, get it delivered. There is so much competition during this event because everyone or almost everyone is trying to do something special. And there are few little things that you could improve to make it just better than others. And today I would like to go through those few little things. You need to start from making sure that you have all the needed agreements. You have to check if those people who you want to send to did actually agree on receiving emails from you and are waiting for some messages from you. Because without this, you might have more problems than benefits from sending those emails. So this is really important and you should remember about this at all times. Next quick tip is the subject line. Subject line is extremely important. Everyone is telling about this all the time. And during Black Friday, obviously it's one of the most important thing. And just writing down the Black Friday sale or Black Friday discount doesn't cut it anymore. You have to do something better. You can be very creative when it comes to subject lines. The best is to simply test a few of them, see how they work, and pick the best one. But you should always avoid lying, avoid telling something that is not really true or not even close to true. This is very important. And no matter how creative you get, the subject line should tell the recipient what can he expect from an email. It should be informative. It should deliver information even in this very short line of text. One of the ways of taking advantage of Black Friday is to prepare coupons. Using coupons or codes, you can actually count your conversion better. You can generate even individual codes for every single person that you are sending a campaign to. And this gives you a huge potential, a lot of possibilities. You can count who exactly used the code, when did they use the code, what did they buy, which email was effective, which one wasn't. You can even prolong the Black Friday sale for some days later if someone received the code and decided to use it the next day because maybe he was offline, maybe he was away from the computer and couldn't buy something from you on that very day. He still has an email, has a code, and he has something of value in that email that he would want to come back to. Obviously, discounts are the great way to get attention during Black Friday or Cyber Monday, but also you can do a giveaway to any purchase during Black Friday, for example. This is other way than discounts to reward your customers for buying during Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Sometimes you have a very specific product and you can't really lower the price, can't really do a sale because for many reasons, sometimes is some kind of agreement that you cannot get below a certain price or something. But probably you could then add a special free gift to an order of a customer above, let's say, a certain amount of money that he spends. If he spends, for example, at least $100, then you can give him this free gadget. This is a great way of a workaround about some problems with sales that you cannot do. One more way to reward your customers, besides discounts, is to offer them free shipping. This is a great option because people really don't want to think about shipping costs. They get confused because they don't really know the difference between the price and the shipping cost. For example, they go to another shop and let's say that the price is lower, but the shipping cost is very high and they have to count it, they have to compare it. And free shipping is something of a great value for them because they don't have to think about it or worry about it anymore. They just know that the price is the price and that's all that they have to pay. So it's a great option. It really gives a positive feedback among customers. During Black Friday or Cyber Monday, you can also create a competition. Let's say that all customers, when they do an order during those days, they will participate in a competition that give them a chance to win something very attractive, like a new phone or other product that you have in offer. This might be very interesting and is also motivating people to actually do some shopping. And I am presenting you those other options because sales and discounts are just not always what the people are looking for, especially on Black Friday or on Cyber Monday, where everyone is doing discounts. So doing something else or something more probably will make you stand out from the competition. And as always, this is very important, as always, use the advantage of email personalization. You can personalize your emails in so many ways. For example, you can use the name of the recipient in an email to say hello to him. Let's say hello John or hello Monique. You can present him the sale offer for a specific category that they, for example, browsed the most in your shop or in your website. You can personalize this to the language that the specific person is using. So there's many ways. You have to discover them for yourself and for your business and industry because each single one of them is a bit different. So you have to check it and see what works for you specifically the best. All right, that's it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.